So, welcome everyone. Welcome to this another episode of Super Success Story that we have achieved. So that's Neha with us, Neha Das, and now she's started. As far as I remember, she started from almost zero. No as such running background, but yeah, she was doing some kind of fitness activities, but almost no running. And now she's a 10 kilometer finisher. She works. She's a mom, and apart from all that, she's handling taking care of her fitness as well. So let's listen to her, like what she has achieved so far and how has been her journey so far with us. Over to you, Neha.
Hi, Ishan. I'm extremely grateful and thankful to you for introducing me to this amazing environment of running. Indeed, it has helped me a lot. 10 months ago, I enrolled with your community and I started running. And since then, it has been a journey of no looking back. Initially, I enrolled with you, and then after that, my husband Sumit and my
Yes.
son, we all three of us as a family, we came together and we took up this running as an exercise, and indeed, it has changed our life. As a family, we have taken this fitness, and our whole lifestyle has been changed completely. Waking up early in the morning is a bliss. We look forward to sleep early and get up early, and then just
Mm,
come to Jawaharlal Nehru or Nehru Park for our running sessions. And it has been really amazing. It is really contagious. And every day we get to see so many motivations around us, and it inspires us to achieve more and more. So
absolutely.
yeah,
Absolutely. So you were started from almost zero, and now like
yes.
how many races that you have done? Just a rough idea. How many races? How
Uh,
many
so yes,
kilometers?
Vedanta, I did 10 kilometers. It was 1 hour, 20 minutes. And then after that, it was Tata Mumbai Marathon. And there I did 5.9 kilometers. And then Tough Man also 10 kilometers. And it was precisely 1 hour, 27 minutes, like after a long break. And I
Yes.
was very happy with my performance in Tough Man. And right now I'm only focusing on improving my timing in 10 kilometers.
Got it.
And I've been extremely consistent, and it has really helped me in achieving a massive weight loss of 7-8 kgs.
Wow.
And I can see the increase in my strength, stamina, and endurance after my weight loss, because I'm been following a very consistent and disciplined lifestyle. And I'm
Great. Great.
like very
Great.
happy with my performance. When I'm
Perfect.
running, I'm no more tired. I
Yeah,
enjoy running.
absolutely. Absolutely. So that's what it is. And the good part is you have been able to inspire your own family. Can you talk a bit
Exactly.
about more on this
Yeah,
part?
of
Like,
course. Of
yeah.
course, of course. So initially, I was the one who started this
Yes.
running thing with you. And generally on Sundays, I used to request my husband Sumit to accompany me to Nehru Park. And gradually it became a process. So
Mm.
every Sunday used to come, and we did not wanted to leave our 9 year old child, like he'll turn 10 this month, 27th.
Oh.
We did not wanted to leave him alone in the house, so we used to take him also along with us.
Mm.
And gradually 10 months this became a process. So Sumit initially started running very little, and he started with 3 kilometers, then 5, and recently he did 10
10
with an
kilometers.
NDM,
Mm.
and he was very happy. And later he thanked me that because of you I could do 10. I never thought that I would be able to achieve 10 kilometers.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
now if I talk about my husband Sumit, he always wanted to do running, but he could not do it. But with the help of Ishan and his guidance, he took running completely, and he made running his lifestyle. So yeah,
Absolutely.
now he looks forward to it, and he looks forward to all the plans which Ishan assigns him, and he tries to complete it. And so this is the best part. And if I talk about my child Arav also wants to do the same plan which has been given to us. he always tells us that plan में ये था, plan में वो था. So
Wow.
me and my husband, we are like, ये तो हमारा plan है, आपको तो आपका plan नहीं है. But he still, if it is 30 minutes for us, he'll try to do 30 minutes. So, and if it is a 5 kilometer for us, he tries to do 5 kilometers. And the best part is that he comfortably does 2 rounds of Nehru Park, which is precisely 5.4 kilometers, like
Yeah,
2.7 kilometers one round. And
absolutely.
we can see an increase in his strength and stamina also.
Got it.
So, yeah, so we're
Mhm.
really happy because running is releasing good hormones in us, and we are very happy from within. So
Absolutely.
when we are happy from within, it reflects on our face. So yeah,
Absolutely, absolutely. And the good part is you're doing it with your family. Now your whole family is into running. So that's the whole
exactly,
idea about this thing. Right. So
exactly.
I'm really happy about that. So if we come down to like, if you can just think of three things that helped you in whatever that you have achieved, like you have building environment of fitness in your family, right? Everyone is into running now. And plus whatever that you have achieved. Now you are a 10-kilometer runner finally. So it's a big deal. Not many people can run 10 kilometers in one go, but you can do it finally, right? So
Yeah.
three things that you can pen down.
So, three things which I feel is like you have to be consistent. One of the most important thing is you have to be consistent and you have to keep doing it, no matter what happens. If you want to achieve that goal, if you want to achieve your fitness goal, you have to be consistent and keep doing it, no matter whatever happens in your life. Like if you don't like it, still keep doing it. If you're crying, still keep doing. If there's a major setback happened in your life, still
Yeah,
you will not stop. You have to continue with your journey. And if you
absolutely.
want to live a normal life, then just chill karo those. But if you want to achieve something outstanding, you have to continue no matter whatever happens. And then
Wow.
discipline is very important. The second thing which I feel is that discipline is extremely important, because if you don't have a discipline in this running regime, you won't be able to achieve what you want to achieve, because it's very important. What I have felt, like I'll talk about from my real time experience, like what I have felt is that it's very important to sleep on time, wake up early, then only you are fresh in the morning to achieve your targets and goals.
Absolutely.
And yeah, so in the morning when you're going for your runs, you need to be super fresh, so your sleep is extremely important, which I felt was this. And thirdly, it's hard work. So you need to really work very hard to um, achieve whatever you want to achieve. Like for me personally, for me was my weight loss. I was aiming towards it because I had put on weight due to several reasons, and I was really looking forward to that weight loss. Um, and whatever thing, like whatever anything, it could be anything which gives you that level of kick in your life. Like for me,
Got it.
my fitness is my biggest motivation. Like it gives me the biggest happiness.
Mm,
And I'm very happy when I'm fit, when I'm energetic, and I'm doing whatever I want to do. So for me, my weight loss was my biggest goal. And yeah, yes, I am still on that journey. I've not achieved anything because I feel that
there's a
achieving,
scope of
it's
improvement. Yeah.
it's it's just a journey. Like you
Journey.
have,
Yeah.
it's never a destination.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
so for me, weight loss was my biggest thing which I wanted to achieve, and I have already lost 7 kgs, and I can see a lot of improvement in my strength, stamina, and my daily chores, and in my moods also. And previously there used to be a lot of mood swings, but now I'm always happy, and I'm always ready to take up any of the complicated things. So
Great.
yeah, so you need to really work hard if you want to achieve, and you should be
Perfect.
focused and dedicated. ये नहीं कि
Mm,
आज कर लिया फिर कल कोई नहीं यार कर लेते हैं, but because you cannot achieve anything in one day, it has
one day.
to be a lifelong journey.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
because Rome was not built in one day, so आपको
Absolutely.
हमेशा वो करते रहना पड़ेगा.
Mm,
कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाए, कोई भी परेशानी आ जाए, okay, it is there, but you cannot leave your daily regime what you're doing, because with us it is like if any Sunday we miss our morning runs, we are not at all happy. And any Sunday, if we wake up early morning and we are going for our morning runs and we come back, we are so energetic and we feel so happy. So the best part is this. So yeah.
Great, great, perfect, perfect. So this is like really powerful, even the tons of learnings for me as well. And you have
No,
explained it
no,
like
not at all. We
beautifully.
get to learn so many things from you, Ishan.
But it's likewise. Perfect, Neha. I mean, you described it beautifully and it was like really powerful things that you have shared. So thank you so much for that. And just to wrap it
Pleasure.
up, like one golden tip that you would like to give to our audience in order to achieve results in running or just take up this thing running. One golden tip.
Um, One golden tip to take up running is, see, in what I feel is that in today's times, everybody's lifestyle and health has taken a toll. So I'm like, with so many options around us, I mean, like, things have become very easy for all of us. Like,
Absolutely.
nobody gives that much importance to home cooked meals. Everybody, they have Zomato, they have Swiggy, and they order food. So I can see that everybody is suffering from some of the or the other lifestyle disorders like diabetes, PCOD, PCOS. So one golden tip for me, what I want to give to everyone in our community is to please take up running, because running, what I have felt like in this last week, what I have felt is like running is the answer to all your problems. Like
Mm.
if you take running consistently, and if you are improving on your strength, endurance, and stamina, you can fight all the diseases.
Got it. Things will
And
fall in place,
yeah,
right?
everything will
Things
fall
will
in
fall in
place.
place.
And yeah, and I can see a lot of changes in my body, and only because of running.
Got it.
And yeah, so I
Even
think
your eating habits getting better, you are choosing
eating habits getting
wisely,
better.
right? Uh,
Yes, yes. I don't
that's what
feel
I
like taking up junk now.
junk
And
exactly. Yeah,
I mean, like, even if I'm hungry, I'll always look for healthy options around me.
absolutely.
So this is the best thing which we have adapted, and for my child also, because it's very difficult. Like being a mom, I know it's a struggle to inculcate healthy eating habits for our child, because
Your child.
they have so many
So many
options. All
options.
the time they're
Absolutely.
picking up anything junk. So yeah, so when you are into running and when you're into a community, you are automatically adopting all the healthy habits. So one golden tip is like, if you want a healthy lifestyle and healthy routine and free from all the diseases, please take up running. Running is the
Wow.
best sport which you can continue your, like, forever in your
For the
life.
lifetime. Yeah,
Not,
for the
yeah, it's
lifetime.
for,
Yes.
it is something forever. Like,
Absolutely.
I mean, like, it's for lifelong.
Absolutely.
ऐसा
So
नहीं कि
that's the
कुछ टाइम
beauty of
किया
it.
कुछ टाइम नहीं किया, because see, I have been into weight trainings and all, and for I used to do gym and all. So running को मुझे लेके लगता था ऐसे, मतलब आप ऐसे कैसे दौड़ सकते हो, बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव दैट स्ट्रेंथ, आई कैन ओनली रन ऑन ट्रेडमिल.
Got
पहले
it.
मेरा ये व्यू पॉइंट था. But now when I started running on the tracks and roads, so now I feel the kind of stamina my body needs to push myself
Mm.
to run on a track, it's entirely different when I was running on a treadmill.
Treadmill in a closed
Treadmill is
environment
like,
as well. Yeah. It's a
exactly, and the
closed environment.
environment also. So connecting with nature and
Connecting
environment,
with
the
nature.
best
Yeah.
thing is that.
Mm.
So I never thought that I would be able to do running, and now since I have connected to outdoors and environment, I don't think so that I would ever be able to go back to gym again.
Back to gym again. All right. So
So,
that's another
yeah, yeah.
perspective. Wow. Good to
Yeah,
know that.
and whenever, see, this is my personal opinion, which I feel is like, whenever you are doing gym and all, it is for some period, like it is for a
Yeah,
very short period.
absolutely.
कभी आप कुछ time करते हो फिर आप छोड़ देते हो, कुछ time आप करते हो कुछ छोड़ देते हो. But with running, I have personally felt this, that it's for lifelong. I will never leave running. So yeah.
Great, 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 Neha. Good to know that. And you have described it like really beautifully, guys. Running is a sport. So if you approach it in the right way, you need not to add anything else. It will cover each and everything. Plus,
Exactly.
everything will fall in place, like your sleep pattern, your diet and everything. So that's the beauty of it,
And
right?
one more thing I want to add.
Yeah, please.
Earlier I used to face this severe sleep issues. मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी सोने में, मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी रात को. I always used to surf on my phone सोने के लिए. अभी क्या हुआ है, when I'm running, I'm so hell tired कि whenever I am going to bed to sleep, I don't need my phone anymore. The moment I'm into the bed, I'm just gone. Like I'm so dead tired. So this is what running has done to me. Because yesterday, yesterday also I had those stairs workout, and after those stairs workout, I was so tired. And yesterday night also I fell asleep. So like I was on time and I woke up early. So yeah, so running is helping me in every aspect of my life.
Perfect, Neha. Perfect. Like you have described it really like in detail, and you have covered like almost each and everything, and many good points that you have come up. Right. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, Ishan. And Ishan, I am grateful to you and thankful to you specifically because you've always been a motivation for all of us. And पूरी तरह से तो नहीं, but I try to take few things from you and I try to inculcate that in my life at least 5% because पहले क्या होता था when we used to come for a running, we used to chit chat a lot. And 2 days back, I got to know from Sonali when you're coming from running, there's a pin drop silence in the car. सो अभी वो हमने भी करना शुरू किया कि चुप, we have to preserve our energy, conserve our
Absolutely.
energy. So this is a good tip which I'm doing it, and it's indeed helping me a lot.
Okay, good to know that. Good to know that. Perfect, Neha. So thank you so much for this. I hope those who will be watching this, you are going to love it and you will be learning tons of things out of it. So thank you
Yeah.
so much, Neha, for your time. And those who want to join the community, there will be a link in the description box. Please click that link and join our live webinar. If you resonate with the values, so you can be part of our community and you can be one of us. All right. Thank you so much, Neha, for this.
Thank
And
you.
I'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon. All the best. Stay happy. Keep running.
Bye.
Bye.